If you're a bearded man and you're an outdoorsman looking for adventure, always on the go, but you're looking to do the rugged Don Johnson, you know, the Shadow, something similar to this, look at that. I've got just the product for you. It's called Man Mower. That's cool. This is cool, man.
Man Mower.
Dude. All right, guys, I am totally excited because I just got this in the mail. Take a look. It's a company called, and a product called Man Mower. All right. And if you look closely, this kind of looks like an old school manual mower that, you know, maybe your great grandfather may have used to cut his lawn. But this is some high grade, like steel here, very heavy, built well, all right? And it's used to cut down and keep your beard nice and trim. Now, this isn't gonna shave you smooth. It'll keep a nice layer of stubble there. But this is designed for men on the go, nature lovers. It kind of looks like, you know, a carabiner, you know, something you'd hook on and climb a mountain and explore, right? Man Mower. Now, the directions say you can keep this sharp, self-sharpening. Just roll it against the side of your hand before your shave. And I'm gonna go in. I've been a week and a half worth of growth here. So I'm gonna take this Man Mower and I'm gonna roll it forward and back. And I'm gonna trim down this stubble. Wow. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. So it's keeping that beard nice and trim, uniform, easy, no cuts. And if I want to sharpen her up, do that and have another go at it, back and forth. And that's neatening me up. Again, I'm gonna keep this beard nice and trim using this Man Mower. Look at that. I'm excited about this. I'm excited because this is quality. This is built. This is something that's more than just a device that trims down your beard. It's a gift. Like if I got this as a gift, I'd be excited about it. There's a story behind it. And in a world of plastic bits and gimmicks, this simply just trims down the beard. And I can take it anywhere. I can use it. I don't have to charge it up. And it keeps it nice and uniform, and it feels good, and it's a conversation starter. Look at that. They make all sorts of models. In fact, the first model that was sent to me, this is the Black Mini. Similar scenario. Back and forth. And it's taken down that growth. Ah, very, very nice. Look at that. Take it up into the sideburns. Really, really nice, guys. Man Mower. As you can see, no nicks, no tugs. Now you're not going to get fine cuts with this. This is for the rugged man, the rugged lifestyle. You're on the go and you like the nice burly look. Man Mower. Check them out at manmower.com. I will leave a link in the description box so you can check them out and support Tim. And just look at this. If you're looking for a unique gift, someone who likes crafted product, this would be a perfect gift. The Man Mower. Now I just got an email actually from Tim, the founder of Man Mower, and there is a way to adjust the blades or adjust the cut. So I'm going to get Tim on the phone and I'm going to ask him if there's a way I can go lower with this and get some more techniques to this. But I just love it. I love it. If you are looking for something unique, if you're looking to stay nice and manicured when you're on the go, if you're into sustainability and you're just sick and tired of using plastic products and throwaway blades, and you don't need a fine baby's bottom smooth, because as you can see, it's keeping it nice and short, but you're not edging. You know, you're not looking to do any edging. You're not looking to do baby fine. You're looking for the Man Mower. Get over to manmower.com, pick up one of these devices. There's a bunch of them, different designs, and let them know the average guy sent you guys. All right? And maybe I'll do a head shave. All right. I want to thank you guys for watching. Check out the Man Mower, and I will see you guys next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now, roll the music. Roll the music. Dude.
Took it like a shot, thought that I could chase you with gold. But a couple years brought it down, I'm feeling